and then do a paste. So see that? It's so easy now. So it's becoming so easy. Now put another symbol so that you want to put one more variation that indicates that you want one more variation. So what I'm going to do here is go back here, copy, and then click on this and paste it again. So that's it. Now you're finished with your variation, so that you can represent it by closing the bracket. So right now we finished creating 3 variations. So it's pretty easy, you know. This is how I do my variations. It just takes less than 1 minute. Similarly, when you're writing your total article, for each paragraph do the same thing. So you'll be done with the whole article within a matter of 5 minutes. You can enter all the information out here, and then you can go to article statistics and preview. See here, it shows you the variation that you have, and then when you respin it, it will show you another one. Biz in the net is not leisure, and if you do it again, it says biz in the net is not a playtime. So it will show you all the variations here, and then it will show you the duplicate content here. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. It's as simple as that. So once you finish, for the sake of this, I'm just giving something like article distribution tool. Do you have one? Okay, and then all you got to do is save this article, and you can do this here. You can go here and save this article. Okay, so when you save this article, it is saved. Now you can come out of this article writer's notepad. So you're here. So see here. Now the next step is very simple, guys. All you got to do is submit it to the site group that you had created. In my case, all I'm going to do is this my articles group. I selected the articles group, and then I do a submit to jobs. Now now you have 2 options here. You can say you want to submit it all today, or you want to do 9 submissions starting. I usually don't mind, because usually these article directories take quite a while to review your article and publish it. So I usually do it all today. And then when you're doing submit to job, there is a 2 options here: 100% autopilot or fill in fields in Internet Explorer. The second option is when you want to do it manually and make sure everything is going right. You want to do it when you're doing it the first time for one directory or something like that, and make sure you understand how it is done. But for right now, I'm choosing the 100% autopilot, and then I hit submit to jobs. So in this case, it's saying your article border or improperly placed. Okay, so I have to do an article. So let me go back and edit the article. Now let me do sample article. Okay, let's see if it takes this. Save article and do that, and that's done. Okay, now you're doing submit to jobs. Still it's not taking too short. Okay, so basically let me take another one here that I already have to do the submit to jobs. Okay, so that we are not going to submit the jobs here, but we are going to show how it works. Okay, let's pick up something. Let's say critical MLM mistakes. I do submit to job. Now this is very critical, guys. What happens is when you're submitting to various article directories, there are like multiple directories here, and you have to specify the categories for most of the article directories. So here is what I would suggest: specify this once. So go ahead and select what is the category that you want to do it, and then, and this is very important, guys, when you're finished doing it, do save current as preset and give your new preset name and click it, so that you don't have to do it again and again. I forgot to do this initially, and I had to do this again and again, and it's kind of like annoying. So make sure you're doing a preset name and use it again and again. Okay, once you do this, You're done. Though you're done, then it's all job submitting. See, now all you got to do is you got to submit this job. Now if you see here, autopilot, these are all true, and there are some article directories which are false. What does it mean is these article directories are okay to do an autopilot. That means you can do it, but for this which are false, you have to go manually and fill in the information. That's what it means. Okay, so once you hit the submit next, what it would do is it would go ahead and do all the uh, it would go ahead and do all the information. It would go ahead and do all the directories that have the autopilot. Okay, so and then I would highly recommend you to do that, and then that's it, my guys. You will be done with your article distribution, and then when the all the false directories, you can go ahead and do it manually. So that's pretty much how you use this tool. Hope this added some value to you. Please do let me know if you have any concerns or any more questions about using this tool. It's very simple to use, guys, once you have your variations. Okay, that's all I have for you today, and I'll see you on the next video.